During the construction of the new Elling and Barbara Halverson Cancer Center, the use of leadership in energy and environmental design standards will reduce exposure to health hazards such as asbestos. Inhalation of asbestos fibers is linked to the deadly lung cancer mesothelioma. Disturbing asbestos fibers releases them into the air. While these fibers may be harmful to the skin, inhalation is the most hazardous type of exposure to asbestos. Banned in the 1970s, asbestos remains present in some materials such as patching compounds in ceiling joints, vinyl floor tiles and adhesives, as well as roofing and insulation. To prevent mesothelioma and exposure to asbestos, Evergreen Healthcare established a detour path to safely navigate the hospital during construction phases. Please refer to the detour map for updates as construction continues. Construction zone and detour map updates are available at evergreenhospital.org by following the Cancer Services links.